The baby bear.
There's a baby bear.
Sunsets like a tangerine. Let's find a road we've never seen. Life is short, make it sweet.
Good morning. Cheers. I love you.
Cheers. Look, they're all looking at us.
Hi, guys.
Cheers.
Good morning, everyone. Happy
My
Saturday.
Goodness.
Happy Saturday.
Hey, it rained on us last night.
It did. We had to switch chairs. The other ones were left out in the rain. And it was funny because I asked Tom, I said, did you put them under the overhang? Oh, who cares about those old little green chairs? Yeah, well, we care because we were going to sit in them.
That's okay.
We've got another set.
We got our nice chairs.
Got our nice cushy chairs. Yep.
I can fall asleep during this chat.
I like the big, tall
Yeah.
headrest.
Nice big
That
back
is
on
nice.
it.
That is nice.
But enough of that.
Enough of that. Welcome, everybody. Thank you for being here and watching today. Please make sure to subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and make sure to click that bell to get notified every time we put out a new video. Give us a thumbs up, please, and comment, and be sure to share with your friends that you want to torment.
Yeah. So we got something serious to talk about.
Yeah. Start this off on a very sad note. We have had 2 losses in our RV family. One of them was our friend Marie. She passed away October 26th, very suddenly. And then one of our viewers that became one of our friends, Terry, lost her husband Lee on November 8th. So we're sending out our very heartfelt condolences to all of your families, and we're very, 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 very sorry for your losses.
Very
And our
much.
loss, too.
Very much.
And our loss, too. Last Saturday was what? A travel day? Oh.
You know, every once in a while, I do make a mistake.
Well, we needed to leave. We were at Boulder Beach, south of Vegas,
Yeah.
at Lake Mead, and we went to Lake Havasu.
Yes.
But that was just for an overnight.
Yeah.
Because
Because,
we were headed to somewhere way prettier.
yes, very
and
true.
way more fun.
Very true.
So it was just a stop off in
And
between.
generally, we don't do the one-night stays anymore.
No, we don't.
We just don't do one-night stands.
Do you?
I know.
You don't have to tell us.
I know a lot of folks do. You know, they travel and travel and travel, and just stop for a night and then pick up and go the next morning. But we like to stay 2, 3 nights, sometimes even a week, because we're just,
We're not in a hurry.
for us, yeah, it is about the destination, but it's all about the journey.
Well, yeah,
know?
and it's
And it's just-
and
we're
in
not in a
way,
hurry.
It is about the destination. We get to spend some time in each
Yes.
destination that
Yes.
we stop, each place.
Yes.
Makes it easier on the animals, especially Kaylee.
Yeah.
She's not real thrilled about consecutive travel days. So we wanted to get to Palm Canyon. So the very next day on Sunday, we went from Lake Havasu to Palm Canyon to meet up with our wonderful, wonderful friends, Becky and Myron.
Yes.
And
We haven't seen them in forever.
3 years. Count them. What year was that they couldn't come down? They're from Canada, from Saskatchewan.
Yeah. They were
And-
here 19 and early 20, went back, and we haven't seen them since then, and now they're here again.
They're back again.
And we're so thankful they're here.
And they
It's so
even
good
brought
to see
back
them.
one of their buddies,
Yes,
Gwen.
Gwen came with
She's traveling down in her 5th wheel. So we had a very nice visit. We had 4 days there.
Mm-hmm.
And you guys were like really busy doing stuff.
You guys, meaning
You
Becky and
Becky
Myron
and Myron.
and me,
Yes.
putting
Some-
a pencil putting the lead to the paper,
And the credit card in the computer.
and the credit cards in the computer, because we have made the decision that we are going to increase our solar capacity, not just with more panels, more power. But we are going to go lithium batteries. We've decided to make the jump, and
You had a little help with the decision too,
yeah,
because
yeah, Yeah.
got offered an opportunity.
We got offered an opportunity
You guys will see that
through
coming up.
someone about some lithium batteries, which we will let you know here in a few more videos down the road when we get the install going and things like that, and we'll be talking about them.
More power.
More power.
And I do have to go back to an issue. So, apparently, we had met Gwen a few years
Oh,
ago.
yeah, that's right.
She had come down. She had come down with Becky. Becky went back up to Saskatchewan when her daughter gave birth to the twins, and then Gwen came back down with her. And we met her for like this long. He remembered. He says, I think we've met her before. And I said, I don't think she's ever been down here.
It was in here.
Tom was right. We had met Gwen before.
I'm telling
But-
you, I got a mind like a steel trap. What goes in never comes out.
It gets buried away in there, too. But Tom was right.
Say it again.
Tom
Oh,
was
oh,
right.
Oh.
Yes. Okay.
Okay.
So we did. Did lots of planning and schematicking and ordering and lots of just visiting.
Yes.
So it was kind of nice. You did a little bit of RV maintenance on one of the days. Not even sure what you were doing. Oh, the awning, the slide topper.
Just put some
Yeah.
tape on a slide topper. Wait,
Yeah.
once
Just a
we
little bit.
finish with the power upgrade, the batteries, the solar, and everything like that, we need new slide toppers again. So that's a project for another day.
Another year probably. But you guys were doing that, and I've been working on getting some Christmas card stuff put together. So you had a work meeting on
Yeah.
one of those days, and you did some video stuff. I just did some Christmas card stuff. We did lots of visiting, and then our last night there, it was windy and rainy.
Yeah, it was.
So, I mean, not a lot of rain.
No,
not at all.
it's just enough to spit and leave spots on
On-
everything.
Yeah,
you know?
especially the
It's
solar panels.
one of those type of
Yeah.
rain showers that moves through the area.
And it wasn't huge windy. It was just like some gusts
Yeah.
now and then. But we were teensy bit concerned about how much rain we were getting and if the road coming out of there, because we were in almost 5 miles into down the canyon road.
Palm Canyon.
Yeah, and
Yeah.
it's dirt and very ruddy.
Piece of cake. It was
Eh.
all dusty when we left.
Yeah, it was. It was all dry. No problems. So Thursday was a travel day, and we left Palm Canyon and came to a Boondocker's Welcome in Yuma, and that's where we are right now.
We'll stay in just a few nights.
Yep. And since we're very close in proximity to our buddies and good friends, Bob and Pearl,
Yeah.
they invited us over for dinner and Domino's, which was wonderful.
Well,
Not
part
to-
of it was wonderful.
What do you mean part of it was wonderful?
Well, this is the second time we've played Mexican Train with them since we've seen them this winter,
And you lost your crown?
and I've lost both games. Bob won and Pearl won.
Yep.
So,
And I got high score on all times. Yeah. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna scour thrift stores and look for trophies, because sometimes you'll find them in there, and we're gonna have a high score and low score. Low score is the winner. High score is the loser.
it's going to be kind of a floating trophy. It'll
Yeah.
go around to us.
Tom wants a crown, but I don't know how.
I want to get my crown
I don't know
back.
if we'll be able to find those. But I'm going to look for that too. It'll just be something fun that we distribute between all of us. Then yesterday we got some stuff done. We went and got groceries, stocked up for Thanksgiving and for our 2 weeks out boondocking. And
In a special secret boondocking location, someplace we've never been
a new
before.
place. Yep. And
We'll
I-
reveal that next week. It'll be after Thanksgiving, but at least you'll know where we've been.
Yeah. I defrosted both fridges, cleaned them out. And luckily, we are just down the street from Bob and Pearl, where our Boondockers Welcome is. And so they were gracious enough to let us put a bunch of stuff in their garage,
Their spare fridge.
refrigerator, freezer, so that I could get everything done
Yeah.
all at the same time.
Yeah.
So then we just did some prep for travel day. When we go boondocking, we have a list. Guess what?
list.
Lori has another checklist of all the things that need to be charged up so that we have them at full power when we head out into the
Full
desert.
power.
So that's, the power stations, cameras, tablets, computers, all that kind of stuff. So we make sure we get that all taken care of and that we fill all of our water, all of
Yeah.
our water bottles and our
Yep.
water.
Yep.
And so we're getting all ready.
Yep.
And then, oops, we had a change of plan.
Yeah, we decided to stay an extra night here. We saw they had an availability on their Boondockers welcome calendar, and so, hey, that's what we're doing. We stayed an extra night,
Yep, one more night.
just to
So-
kind of make sure we get everything done the
So-
right way.
So Wednesday, we've got a video coming up that is about...
We do. We have another travel video coming up. It takes us from Havasu to Palm Canyon to Yuma. And you get to ride along with us because there'll be lots of scenery and good things like that.
Yeah.
Speaking of good things like that,
Oh, yes.
you see our new hats? Look at this. New ball caps.
And this is not one that we've just plopped a sticker on.
No. And it's adjustable on the
It's
back.
a nice hat.
They're very nice hats. We have them online right now at bonfire.com. And then head over to the Tom and Lori RV Life store. And we've got these hats there. I think they're about $25. I don't remember the exact price. I'll look it up, probably put it right here.
It's actually kind of comparable, like when you go into a souvenir store
Yeah.
at your RV park or
All
a
different
visitor
color hats,
center.
too. We got all different color
Yeah,
ball
I need
caps
one
up there.
now. This was a test one to kind
This
of
was
see how
just a test.
how it turned out.
Wanted to
so.
make sure it looked good before we put them up for sale, but they're there now. And
Christmas is coming. It's a great stocking stuffer, huh?
Yes, it would
That
be.
would be great. That would be great.
so go check that out.
Well, I guess
And
that's...
remember about the video coming out Wednesday. It'll be Wednesday at 2 o'clock Pacific, or no,
Ooh, Mountain Time?
2 o'clock Mountain Time, which is Arizona time, because Arizona's in the Mountain Time zone
Right
in the
now.
winter. Yeah.
Yeah.
So 2 o'clock Mountain Time,
Yeah.
Wednesday. We'll release that video.
Fun stuff.
Are we done?
I do believe
I
we
think we're-
are. We
I think
just
we're all-
boom, boom, because...
We're all caught up.
Because most of that time was just kind of doing all the same stuff for those 3 days, full days that we were there.
Here's to a happy week.
Cheers.
See ya.
See ya.
Take your banner and raise it to the sky.
The Bear, do you want to say good morning? Huh? Do you want to say good morning?
Hey.
Hi.
All right. You ready? You're always ready. Let's go eat breakfast.
Ooh.
Come on.